Yeah, hi Arman.
Happy.
How are you?
I'm good, Andy.
I'm good also. Okay, so let us start now. Can you please explain about yourself and what is your role and responsibility?
Yeah. My name is Arman Ansari. I am from Slandia and I am completing my graduation from Bhopal. Computer science from Bhopal, 2019 batch. And my project, uh, team movement speaker, and my role as a develop background uh, backend code, like develop uh, update the which would come and then update the uh,
Okay, fine. So let's start with Java. So I will ask a couple of questions from the Java, and then after we can move slowly to your Spring Boot and database, and we can end this meeting. Okay. So in Java, do you have idea about like what is the use of collections framework?
yeah. Uh, Celestial framework is for implicit framework used for uh, code, code uh, time complexity and code more visibility. So consume your time and to develop your project in a less uh, time.
Okay,
That's it.
okay. So do you know like what is the difference between set and list?
Yeah. Actually, list is a unordered list and list is a uh, so,
Do you know what is the difference between array list and linked list?
yeah. Yeah, I know. Wireless and display. Wireless is
Okay, nice. Next questions. What is method overloading and what is the method overriding?
method overloading is same class, same name, but different parameter. It's a method overloading and method overriding is a same uh, super class, variable and method inherit in subclass. It is a overriding.
Okay, how much experience you have? How much experience you have?
So, sorry, how much?
3.5 years.
3.5 years. Yeah.
Okay. So tell me like what are the Java 8 features we have and what are the use of it?
Yeah. Java is a lot of methods like conductation, interface, optional interface, and stream API, input out date and time, and JavaScript and method reference. This is the Java ethical method and class. And stream API is stream API is a concept of a method which is used for uh,
Okay, what is the difference between a stream and parallel stream?
stream.
Yeah, a stream and parallel stream.
Stream actually, I don't have stream and parallel about this.
Okay, what is functional interface?
something like that. For example, it is a part of uh, Java feature, and this is defined about function and function.
So, okay. Do you know lambda expression?
Lambda really
Okay, share your screen.
got it nicely.
Yeah, please share your screen. You can see share icon. On that, you can click button of that. Do you have any idea? Open it.
Yeah, I have SPS sheet ID. Can you open?
Open any ID like STS you have, I think. So you can open the STS.
Yes.
Create one class. You have to write logical questions. So close all those files.
Okay. Any name?
Where you are going to create your class, you have to create in Java project. Why you are creating in the Spring Boot project? You have below folder called below. No, no, correct. Go below, not here. I'm going to same places. Yeah,
Yeah.
leave it those tab. Cancel it. You have a one project called test Java, right?
Yeah.
Open it. This is the Java project. In that you have to write the code. Click on SRC. Now create one class. So you have a list of numbers in a integers, and you have to print but only unique element. Remove the duplicate element from it using Java 8. You understood?
Zero one. R1.
You understood my questions or not?
No, no.
You have a list of element and you have to find out unique element from that. Okay, do it. You have only 5 minutes. Persistent. What you are doing, Arman?
My first select the number for loop, using for loop.
Do you think you can find out with the loop? And why you declare your variable int array outside of main method? Why not inside the main method?
If I do the output main method, it's okay.
Why? I'm asking why you declare in the class levels.
They will also declare the class level. It's also the right.
Okay, no issue. I have done from my side. Do you have any questions?
No, but I answer one question for which side I develop my business, which side
Sorry?
which Java, which part of I
No,
clear
no,
my.
all part of the Java you have to prepare. I don't think you are prepared with.